award. This is the D01 guitar amplifier that I built on 2013 from salvaged parts. Almost of the parts that I used to build this amplifier are from salvaged hardware. There are a few that I built, that I buy, like the amplifier board, that is that one here. This amplifier board is based on the TDA 7297. It's a dual bridge amplifier, and it comes with the heatsink. But apart from this and from the DC to DC step down regulator, it's all this comes from recycled parts. You can see the preamplifier and distortion clean board that I built on a prototype board. The preamplifier, it's based on the discrete fat guitar preamp by J. Donald Tillman. It's a J201 and J-Fat buzzed board, buzzed preamp with just a few mods. And the distortion section, that is here too, it's based on the electro distortion pedal with just a few mods. The two speaker comes from an old TV, and the transformer, it's lying around. I don't know where it comes from. The signal for the transformer is then rectified and regulated using this step down regulator, and it powers up the amplifier and the board. I have a fuse, and what else? There's just the power LED, the power button, the input, the main volume, the clean and distortion selection, and the distortion volume. Now we can listen how it sounds. To me it sounds really good. It has a vintage look, and it hasn't got a lot of power, but the distortion sections, it's pretty good to me.